Welcome to my home office space. This is my favorite place to be in my home. What I love about this room the most is the built-in bookshelves. Before my husband and I moved into this townhome, once we came upstairs and seen this room, I told him, I was like, okay, I finally have somewhere that I can keep my books. First, I want to show the different items I have on my bookshelf. At the very top, you see where I have 3 large candles. And also, this is one of my Mother's Day gifts that I received from one of my daughters. I love motivational quotes. When I sing this one, I got this from TJ Maxx, be yourself. And this one as well, I'm fabulous. Now this pineapple, I got it the other day from Home Goods. The reason why I got the pineapple though is because it's a lamp that I have that's on my desk and it's made out of a pineapple. I want to show it to you right quick. So what happened is once I seen that pineapple at Home Goods the other day, I had to get it because I wanted to coordinate with my lamp. And the lamp, I also got it from Home Goods too. And I love music. And this quote right here, it just says, when words fail, music speaks. Now I got this little plaque from TJ Maxx, and these are some of my books. These are motivational books here. And these are some of my fiction books here. And I'm not good with plants, so I only buy the fake ones. I thought this was nice. I like the flower pot. And those are some more books. And at the bottom, the little item that says, I love you. I got that from one of my daughters as well last year for Mother's Day. And now the little angel that you've seen, that actually goes on top of a Christmas tree. But I liked it so well until once we took our Christmas tree down, I just brought it into my little area. You can barely see the curtains only because it's so sunny outside until you can't really see the details of them, but they are a soft color pink and they actually came from JCPenney's. I hate you guys can't really see them that well. All right, this is the other side of my bookshelf. At the very top, I have just like a gold bin and I keep a lot of my pictures and stuff like that in. And on the second shelf is where I have pictures of my children and my grandchildren. Now the books that you see here, these are my favorite books. Yes, these are fiction books and I love fiction books as well. I don't only just read about self-improvement and I don't only just read the Bible. I like fiction romance too. One of my favorite books of old times is this one. It's called Mama. It's by Terry McMillan. If you haven't read that book, you need to get it. And what I'm going to do with some of my favorite books, I'm going to share the links in my description. This is another one by Terry McMillan, A Day Late and $1 Short. For some reason with her books, I prefer the older ones more than the newer ones. This is a good one too by Terry McMillan, Disappearing Ikes. And I'm sure a lot of you have seen the movie, but I can say that the movie don't give the book justice. Let's see, where's another one? I love Carl Weber as well. The Man in 3B, that's a good book. That's also a movie too. And I also love Eric Jerome Dickey. He's an awesome writer. And this is one of my favorite books of his. It's called Pleasure. Now, this book, I would say you should read it if you're married. And the reason why I said it, because it does have a lot of sexual scenes. And one thing about books now, a lot of stuff that you're reading, it makes you imagine what the person is saying. So you want to be careful with this one if you're not married. Another one of my books that I love is A Child Called It. Now, this particular version is like 3 of his books into one. That's why it's so thick. It's A Child Called It, The Lost Boy, and also A Man Named Dave. This is a good book as well. It's called Holy Ghost Girl. Now, with this book, it kind of like sent me back into my past, and the reason why is because this particular ministry that this girl's talking about, I grew up in that ministry. And on this shelf, last year for my birthday, now my husband, this is one of the gifts that he got me for my birthday, and it's called Will You Be My Sunshine? And anyone that knows him know that he's not one of those mushy persons. So when he gave me this book for my birthday, I was so excited. Kind of like brung some tears in my eyes, because of the fact that this is not like him. He don't give you gifts like that. This is considered mushy for him. And the next shelf is just pictures that I have of my grandchildren. I won't do a close-up because I didn't get their permission. Okay, and this wall. What I love about this wall, because the theme is music. And when I look at the pictures on the wall, it makes me want to practice my music. The pictures on the wall used to be in my girls' rooms when they were at home. But once they got ready to leave home, they left the pictures here. So I took them. This is one of she looks to be, I would say, a teenager playing, a teenager DJing. I think that's really cool. Now, the music notes that you see on my wall, I got that from Hobby Lobby. I like this picture. It's a girl walking and enjoying her music on her cell phone. And the next one is just a guy dancing. When I look at the way that the artist painted these pictures, it makes me think about Good Time. Those are the same type of pictures that JJ used to paint on there. And this is my desk. Now, my husband purchased this desk for me a couple months ago, and it was a used desk. I'm gonna try to find a picture of it and add it to the video, that way you guys can see a before picture. But anyways, he painted the desk for me. He only paid $45 for this desk. And so he painted it with the chalk paint, and he did such an awesome job. I'm so proud of my desk. I like it because it's huge. It makes me feel important. And look at the details of the legs. It didn't take him no time to do it. Now, Now the telephone, I'm not for sure where my husband bought it at because I wasn't with him. The same way with the violin. The reason why too I like music symbols in here is because it motivates me to want to practice. And I do believe in whatever I find my hands to do, I try to do it with all my might. And I do know that the only way that I'm going to get better is by practicing. Now over here is some more of my motivational books. And the books that I love the most that have actually changed my life, and I'm going to do a video about them. One of them is called Take the Stairs. And another one is called Jump. And another one is Alchemist. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. And Outliers. I'm currently reading this book, The Year of Yes. As I said before, I love motivational quotes, and it actually motivates me. I seen this picture at Hobby Lobby, and I think it was maybe like $20 if it was $20, because one thing I like about Hobby Lobby, they always have a lot of things in their store that's 50% off. So I got it for like $20. And it says, stand strong, believe in yourself, and chase your dreams. And that is how I live my life. Now, this is one of my favorite quotes. It says, she believed she could, so she did. And the one right up under it, this is another one that I love. And it says, beauty begins the moment you decide to believe in yourself. And that is so true. I love my office chair. This is one of the gifts my husband got me for my anniversary, for our anniversary. This office chair. What I love about it, because it's black and it's trimmed in gold, but it's very comfortable. Spins around, and I think it's cute. I hope you guys enjoyed my office tour.